Hello student. Today we are going to discuss about habit, habitat, structure, life cycle and reproduction of Vorticella. First of all, what is Vorticella? Now let's understand a short introduction and background concept. Vorticella is a unicellular, bell-shaped protozoan belonging to the subphylum Celiophora. It is commonly found in freshwater environments like ponds, lakes, and streams, often attached to plants, debris, or stones. Debris. Debris refers to scattered pieces of destroyed or broken things. Vorticella is famous for its contactile stock, which we will study, which allows rapid withdrawal when disturbed. Now, systematic position or scientific classification: phylum Protozoa, subphylum Celiophora, class Ciliate, subclass Peritrichia, order Peritrichida, genus Vorticella, and species Campanula. Remember, Celio prefix refers to an organism having Celio prefix refers to organisms which has cilia. Now let's study about the diagram of Vorticella. This is the clear diagram of Vorticella. This is the vestibule, disc, group, cilia, outer part, gillette, vacuole, endodome, inner part, and ectodome, outer part, stalk, contactile axis inside the stalk, which will called myonym or spasmonym, cuticle outer covering, food balls, micro and macronucleus. Macronucleus, this is the large part, and another is micronucleus, small part, and this is the single structure of Vorticella. You can see on the picture, next picture, Vorticella. Now we will discuss about the detailed structure of Vorticella. Structure. First, pellicle or outer covering. The outer covering part of entire the body, which we call cuticle also. Thin flexible layer. It is thin and flexible layer covering the body, entire body, gives shape and protection to the body. And next one, peristome and cilia. Around the upper edge, this is called around the upper edge is peristome. Upper rim, which we call peristome, and the cilia is the cilia are the this structure are called cilia. Ring of cilia around the upper is peristome, and cilia creates water current to bring food to the cytostome or cell mouth. And then food enter into the gullet or cytopharynx. Now cytostome or cytopharynx. Cytostome also, it is also called cell mouth, leads to cytopharynx or gullet where food vacuoles form. Food digests in the cytoplasma. After that, after cytopharynx, the food gets digest into the cytoplasma. And there are two nucleus, one is macronucleus and another is micronucleus. Macronucleus, the large part, and function of macronucleus: control daily activities. And similarly, micronucleus, the function of micronucleus responsible are handling the activity of reproduction and genetic exchange. And another part is contractile vacuole, remove excess water to maintain osmotic balance. Now contractile vacuole. Vacuoles are located here, but in this diagram contractile vacuole are not shown clearly. Located here but not shown clearly in this diagram. Contractile vacuole remove excess water to maintain osmotic balance. Now stalk with spasmonym. This is the stalk with spasmonym. Inside the stalk, this is the stalk, and the inside part is spasmonym or myonym. This is the stalk. It is a stalk, and the inner portion is spasmonym. The spasmonym or myonym is located inside the stalk. The stalk is attached to the surface of body, and at the end of the stalk, basal disc is located at the tip or end of this portion. End of the stalk. Basal disc is located here at the end of the stalk, which is attached to the surface of the ground or any part that may be stone, debris, or other things. Anchors stalk with spasmonym anchors Vorticella to surface or attach Vorticella to surface. Spasmonym allows to stalk to coil rapidly when threatened. When Vorticella feels dangerous, the coil of the Vorticella, this portion, coil rapidly or withdraw this portion, or it pulls the whole entire body into the basal disc. Now basal disc attached firmly to the substrate or anything. Basal disc is located at the tip of the stalk. Now habitat. Lives in freshwater ecosystems rich in bacteria. Typically, it is sessile, meaning the meaning of sessile is stays fixed at fixed place, but stalk can bend or contract when Vorticella feels dangerous. Feeds on bacteria and small organic particle. Now life cycle and reproduction. Vorticella shows two types of reproduction, that is asexual and sexual. Asexual binary fission, the body divides to form two daughter cells. One stays attached, the other swims to find new place where the environment is suitable to grow and development. And another is asexual reproduction, that is conjugation. A small motile organism temporarily fuses with an attached Vorticella, and then exchange of genetic material occurs. After that, both separate and mature into new individuals. Now importance. What are the importance of Vorticella campanula? Educational purpose. It shows importance in education sector. Shows unicellular adaptation, fitting and motility. So the educational purpose, we can use Vorticella to show unicellular adaptation, to show feeding and motility. And ecological it is important ecologically because it helps in water purification and indicates fresh water health, and it is also used for research, that is contractile stalk used to study cellular motility and cytoskeleton function.